Hey guys, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm going to be reviewing a hair from Luvme Hair, and let me tell y'all, this is the easiest wig I ever have to put on. No joke. Let's jump right into it and show you guys what I got with the wig. In the box I got this tail comb. I will be showing you guys another one because they sent me two of them. I also got this brush. I think this brush is some kind of detangling brush. I got with the wig. Purple, love it. Anyway, here is the second tail comb, so I'm gonna be showing you guys both of them together. They sent me two tail comb with the hair, and I'm happy for these tail comb. You can never have too much. I also got a pair of HD stocking cap with my wig. I'm not gonna be using this today, but it's always good to have them. And this is an elastic band for your edges. And when I thought I was all done finding goodies, I dig back into the box, and there we go. I found an edge brush. So anyway, I'm showing you guys the hair right now with the little white stuffing that came with it, to show you guys how nicely plucked the hair is. As you can see, it's already plucked. For one, I will also show you guys that it's already bleached. The knot is already bleached, so the only thing you really have to do with this wig is cut the lace off of the front. And this is the length of the hair and the texture. I will leave all these information in the description box as usual. It has two clips in the sides, one in the top and another one in the back. I usually don't use the clips except for the one in the back only. And it has this adjustable strap which is gonna hold it or secure it onto your head much tighter. You probably will not even be using the clips, just like me. Anyway, when you use the adjustable strap with the wig, it holds the hair on so well. Like, I'm gonna show you guys at the end of the video. I'm tugging on it and the hair is not moving at all. Like, you really don't need to glue this hair down. So because the hair is glueless, it doesn't mean you can't glue it down. If you feel like doing so, if you want to keep it on, you know, for say a weekend or a whole week without taking it off, you could go ahead and glue it down. But usually I don't glue them down. As you can see, the knots are bleached, as I was saying before. But about the glue, it's only if I'm gonna be wearing it for a whole week and I don't want to take it off, that's when I would glue it down. So I'm gonna go straight ahead and put it on because I already have my stocking cap on. I did add some foundation on my stocking cap also, you know, just to match the color of the stocking cap a little more closer to my skin tone. So if you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that, or just get you one that works. Anyway, as soon as I put the wig on, I saw how good it looked, and I haven't even cut the lace off. I was speechless. You hear me, guys? I was actually in the camera blabbing to myself. I wish I had my mic on it. Y'all would hear what I was, you know, just talking the whole time, because I just couldn't believe how good it looked. So, like, so easy. Y'all, when I tell you I didn't do anything to this wig besides cutting the lace off of the front, I am not even kidding. And you guys will see. I mean, I didn't spray any water on it like I would do, because the curls look moisturized already. I didn't add any kind of moisturizer cream, anything to the hair. All I did was cut the lace off, as I'm doing right here. Y'all, at this moment, I just couldn't believe it. I just couldn't believe I was done after cutting the lace off. I was speechless. I didn't know what to do, what to say. I was like, I can't believe I'm already done installing this wig. I was like trying to find something to do to it, you know, to say I did something, but there was really nothing more to do. At this moment, I was just in disbelief. I was chatting up a storm. I forgot y'all couldn't hear me. You know what I'm saying? because I was like, I just can't believe it. Like, I'm already done. Like, come on. This don't make no sense. But anyway, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys the finished look. So here it is, guys, all done. It is so beautiful. I absolutely love the length. I love the cut. I love the curls, and I also love how full it is. But most of all, I love that it's glueless and I could just take it off when I want to, put it back on whenever I want to, and it's on my hair very secure. I will show you guys in a few how I tug on it and it didn't even move an inch. One thing I really love about this unit is how moisturized the curls are, how soft they are, how juicy they look, and I didn't have to add anything onto it. Honestly, not all the time I want to add anything onto my curls, because sometimes it can leave it feeling sticky, you know what I'm saying, and then you have to wash your wig and all of that stuff. But this, you don't need to add anything to it, so you really don't need to be washing it all the time. So as you can see here, guys, I am pulling on it, tugging on it, and it's not moving at all because the elastic band that I have in the back of it is tight enough to hold it in place. I will be leaving all the information to the hair down in the description box so you guys can easily find it, or find any other glueless wig that they have on their website. I'm also going to be leaving my discount code on the screen so you guys could get a nice little discount when you go shop on their website for any one of their units. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please go ahead and leave them down below, and I will get back to them as soon as I possibly can. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Also, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.